my favorite product for hard water marks. Just a little dab would do you. Take a little cement off and it totally dissolves the hard water marks almost immediately. And I've tried all kinds of products. I know cement off is mainly for outside, but I think it's my new favorite product now for eliminating hard water marks, especially in bathrooms. Alright. So I just put a little on the rag, cement off. These windows are stained. And take some foam cleaner and squeegee it off. Up the mountain, down the mountain, across. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, now there's a little residue left right in here. So I'll just use a little bit more. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll get a little bit more of it. Put a little bit more. Suppose with a sponge it might be better. Let's see if we can pull all that off. May have to let it sit for a minute. But look at that. That was totally frosted over. So I always try different things. The problem is I've had cement off for 10 years and it's still a little bit at the very bottom here. So maybe you would have to use a little bit of some grit to get it off. What I'll try to do is I'm going to let it sit on it for a minute or two, then come back and see if that gets it off.